In today's video, we're gonna be unboxing this USB-C video capture device from Ugreen. Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. I'm Aniki Wafi from Aniki TV. As I said earlier, we're gonna be unboxing this. Alright, before that, let's see what's on the box. It's Ugreen USB-C video capture device. Here it says 4K, 60Hz and 5 gigabit per second. Now let's look at the back. HDMI input and pass-through supports up to 4K times 2K 60Hz. Capture output supported resolution is only up to 1080p 60 fps, so it cannot record 4K. Compatible software: OBS, XSplit, Port Player and QuickTime Player. Dimension: 103mm length, 57mm width and 20mm height. It also has two 3.5mm audio jack, one for mic and the other one for headphone, so you can have separate mic for your stream and in-game or Discord if you want to, I guess. But you cannot have separate headphones since it's gonna be uncomfortable. So inside the box we got the capture card itself. Let's put it aside first. We got product warranty card, and also I don't know what this is, or just what's inside the box, or some kind of starter or something. Okay, let's open next. So it comes with this rubber silicone cover for the capture card. Ugreen logo here as well. It's obviously made out of rubber. I don't know how to describe this thing. Okay, whatever it okay, next we got, this is supposed to be HDMI cable. Alright, it's a Ugreen HDMI cable. It has Ugreen here, Ugreen logo here. I'm not sure what HDMI is this. It might be HDMI 2.1. And the last item in the box should be the USB-C cable. It's USB-C to USB-C cable. Oh ho 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 ho. It's about half meter, I guess. It comes with adapter just in case your motherboard or a PC does not have USB-C port. It's USB 3.0 by the way. Alright, let's move to the main item, main character whatever it is. Oh, okay. Let's see. It looks like an airflow. Okay. It has airflow here as well, and at the bottom it's pretty good. It has USB-C. This is my first external video capture device, so I believe this port is supposed to be for connecting to the streaming PC. This is HDMI input and this is HDMI output, and also it has two audio jack, microphone and headphone jack, 3.5mm audio jack. We also gonna be doing a test for this device, and I'm gonna share my first impression for this device, for this capture card. So this is gonna be my first external capture card. So what can I see here is, from the pass-through, the color on the OBS is kinda dark a little bit. Let me show you. so this is side to side. This is my main PC, and this one the pass through from the USB capture device.
Take the zip line.
So you can see there's a little bit delay on the OBS. Just a little bit.
Okay.
And you can see the color as well. Let me make this one full screen. Give me a second. Full screen. Okay. So you can see the color as well, the different.
Okay.
On the right side, it's on my main PC, it's a little bit dark, I guess. And the left one is kind of dark, brighter.
Okay, take the zip line.
So the color is not too accurate, but it's not too bad for me. Wow, I'm really surprised for this price. It's capable of 4K 60 FPS for the price of $79.99 on Banggood, which is really great. So I am able to find this device on Amazon or AliExpress. So I think from now on I'm gonna be using this for my streaming. The delay is pretty normal, I guess. I remember I purchased the EasyCap was around 60 plus US dollar and below 70 US dollar. So for the price point, EasyCap versus this Ugreen, this is the best. Because my EasyCap 294 only pass through 1080p 60 FPS, I'm gonna be using this as my main capture card from now on. Let's see in the future what's my thought about this. Alright, I think that's it from me, guys. Thanks for watching, and see you guys whenever I post video next. Bye bye and Assalamualaikum.